The minimum vertex cover problem is NP-hard. We want to now look at an even more general problem, which is minimum weighted vertex cover. In the minimum weighted vertex cover problem, we have an undirected graph, and each vertex has a weight associated with it that is not negative. And we want to find a minimum weight subset of the vertices such that every edge in the graph is incident to at least some vertex in that subset, just the same as we had with vertex cover. So the weight of a subset here is the sum of all the weights of the vertices contained in that subset. So here's an example of a graph, and I will write the weights of the vertices next to the vertices. And we can find a vertex cover of weight 55 here. And you can check that indeed this is a vertex cover, so every edge has one endpoint that has been selected, or maybe even both endpoints.